The first ingredient I'm starting off with, as you can see, is the beeswax. That's not the bag it came in. That's a little Ziploc baggie. Anyway, I use beeswax in my lotion bars to help like hold them together, especially in the warmer months, because without like a wax, they'll melt. And I use the unrefined one, which is more of the yellowish color. Beeswax is packed with vitamin A, and along with that, it's a humectant, so it helps draw and hold moisture into the skin. Now onto the shea butter, which technically is kind of how I or what caused me to start my business, but it's jam-packed with vitamins A and E. It has an SPF of 3 or 4, so it can be like used as added sun protection. You can use it in your hair. It's antibacterial and antifungal, and it's great. It's amazing for like eczema and chapped skin and like scarring and things like that, because it's anti-inflammatory. I have eczema on my hand and I use. Up next is the mango butter, which is actually one of the softer butters out of like all of the butters, like shea butter, mango butter, cocoa butter, kokum butter, so on and so forth. It helps keep skin soft and supple, which like I know using it on my skin, even like when I'm making the butters and it gets on my hand, they do feel really soft. It has triglycerides, which work as a preservative. They help smooth skin. It has antioxidants, as well as it helps bind other ingredients. And lastly, it helps like protect from your skin from pollution, blue light, sunlight, and that's because it has vitamins E and C in it. Here I'm just using the double boiler method, so I have the butters and the beeswax in a Pyrex, which is in a pot of boiling water, and I did that in my other video as well, and I'm kind of just helping the butters melt down. Now back to the ingredients. So next ingredient is extra virgin olive oil, which is the least processed version of olive oil, and it's cold pressed, so it's antifungal and antibacterial. It can fight free radicals, it's rich in antioxidants, and it can help protect skin against skin issues such as like eczema, chafing, scarring, and it may help to prevent signs of aging. Our skin and scalp produce an oil called sebum, which it kind of helps keep our skin moisturized. It travels down our hair follicle, and that's what helps keep our hair moisturized. And jojoba oil is the closest of the oils to like our body's natural sebum, so it's really good for like your skin, your scalp. Along with that, it's packed with vitamin E and fatty acids and things like that, which make it great for the skin as well. Jojoba oil is non-comedogenic, which means that it doesn't clog pores. In turn, it won't cause breakouts. In the clips with oils, you just see me adding them into the Pyrex that has the melted butters and beeswax in it. We all know and love coconut oil. I'm pretty sure you've used it for different things. You can cook with it. You can like shine wood with it. People used to jokingly say you could get your man to act right with it. I don't know. You put it on your wallet, help it increase your money or whatnot. But some of the benefits of it for skin are: it can accelerate wound healing. It's made up of many fatty acids, such as like citric acid, which some of the fatty acids actually kill harmful microorganisms. And it's anti-inflammatory and can help reduce acne because of its anti-inflammatory properties. Next up, we got vitamin E oil, which it actually comes in capsules that you can take as a supplement. But anyway, it's rich in antioxidants. It helps protect the skin's moisture barrier, and it soothes the skin and can be great for healing skin conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, chafed skin, things like that. A lot of the other oils have vitamin E oil. It's such a really beneficial oil for the skin. Fun fact about almonds is they're actually a seed, not a nut, and sweet almond oil smells really, really like so good. So good. Sweet almond oil is packed with vitamins and nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin E, and zinc. Peep how vitamin E keeps popping up. So sweet almond oil can help prevent and reduce the effects of sun damage, which makes sense if vitamin E can help protect the skin barrier. And it can reduce stretch marks and scarring due to all of the vitamins and nutrients that it contains. So we're on to my favorite part now, which is the fragrance oil. So this literally, I mean, it's pretty obvious, but this is in there just to make you smell good. I can make products or whatnot without the fragrance oil. I've made like plain body butters and things like that, where it just takes on the natural smell of the butters and oils that I put in. And I can do that with like the lotion bars and the sugar scrubs as well. But this is to make you smell good, and I'm pretty like picky with which fragrance oils I use, so I'm not just gonna throw anything in the products. Like when I'm purchasing it, I'll read the reviews and things. Last but certainly not least, we're on to the colors. So these I throw in based on the scent. So like for example, in this particular video I used Granny Smith, which is like an apple scent. So I made them like a light green. For like cupcake, I'll do purple. Pink sugar is pink. Hawaiian Kiss is like this really pretty like reddish orange color. But the mica powders are just for color. I try not to use so much so that it doesn't dye the skin and things like that. Like I've tested it out to make sure that. For these particular lotion bars, I mixed a yellow and a green color to give it like a nice green, like crisp, juicy apple color to go along with the smell of a crisp green juicy apple. Side note, any of the recipes that I post, so the ones I posted previously, the ones I'm planning on posting in the future, can be customized to your skin's needs. These are the new lotion bar molds that I got. They're so cute, and I have like green, orange, purple, pink, red, blue. I have a bunch of different colors of them. But like what I was doing here was trying to, be cute and match the green to the green color. Aren't these so pretty? Like look at the shapes. And when I got them out the thing and turned them over, they were so cute, and they smell so good. Like look at that star, like the tiered layered star thing going on. It's so cute. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something about, got some new information about the ingredients. Let me know your favorite ingredient, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video.